We got some fun mail, y'all. I'm so excited this came today. It is a gradient sponge, and I got it off at Aliexpress. I had scanned across Instagram, a picture on Instagram of one that looked like it, and I think it was through, I don't know if it was Bundle Munster or Born Pretty or something like that, and of course it cost a lot more than what I got this for. I got this one for $2, like maybe $2.49 or two something, on Aliexpress. So it has the pretty like rhinestone-y or crystals or whatever in it. They're white or clear. Both ends are for using as gradients, to do gradients on your nails. And it came with the 4 of the replaceable tips, which I didn't even realize that. I don't think when I ordered it, I don't remember it saying it came with extra pieces. So that's cool. So you get a total of 6 gradient tips to put on there, and I think it's pretty cool. So you would just take it and put your your polish on it. You can make an ombre or a gradient and then just roll it across your nail, and they're really soft and squishy. I still haven't did my nails yet. But I love it. It's so cute. It took forever to get here though. I think I've been waiting on this for like a month and a half, but y'all know that's how AliExpress is. I also ordered 3 cute chokers, and I think these were 49¢, and no, 69¢, and I think this was 91¢. All in all, not bad prices at all. If you were to go to like the mall or an accessory store and find a choker like this one, you're gonna be paying like $5, $6, $7, you know. It's really cute. I should take them out the package and see if they even fit. I hope they do. But this one is my favorite because it has the hearts on it. Love Nails Nicole. And then this one has it like this part kind of hangs down. This one goes tighter around the neck. This one hangs down with the gold triangle on it. I'm trying to get it to focus. There you go. And it has the gold in. It does have the latch in the back where it does adjust. This one did too. This one has the silver jewelry. And I really like this denim one. It has a little gold triangle in the middle. And this one has a really long chain. So this one adjusts really big. But I thought those were cute and to share them with you guys. If there are links still left that I can get off of AliExpress, I'll put links, of course, like I always do, in the description box if you guys would like to go place an order. And as soon as I get my nail table up, you guys, I will be practicing testing out this gradient sponge to see how well it works, to see if it can be you know, cleaned off maybe with polish remover or something like that. If you know, if you can reuse the tips, I'm not sure. I took it out the package so I can show you guys a little bit more close up what it looks like out of the package. And this is how it looks with the sponge off. This one just fell off. I don't know if I can put it back on with one hand. Let's see. Alright, so that one's on. So it's comfortable to hold. Very lightweight. Really pretty. I hope it works. Yeah, that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching.